There are two ways on how you can start your YouTube channel. It can be your hobby where you invest your time, or it can be your full-time business. Either way, you can make money on YouTube without recording videos and without showing your face. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can make the same videos that makes hundreds, thousands, and millions of dollars on YouTube. If you would like to find out how, click the like button and comment let's do it down below to let me know. If you are running your YouTube channel like it's your hobby, meaning you are investing only your time, that is only as much as you can do as a human. That's why it's important to know and use the tools to produce more high quality videos that get views. I will show you what I mean in just a second. If you are taking YouTube as a potential full-time business, a highly profitable business, you will know it's worth investing in it. I know that might be not an option for everyone straight away, but if you can afford it, then it's surely worth it. Your videos consist of the video idea, script writing, editing of the footage, and voiceover. Ideally, I could leave only the video idea part to yourself and outsource everything or some part of it. Reach out to the freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork to see if you can agree on a lower rate while offering jobs daily and start building up your online business on YouTube. Look at this channel, you probably already know it. Bright Side. One of the reasons why they are making $500,000 a month is because they upload several videos every day, and you can't get that done alone. I have no idea how much they spend on video production, but even if it's $50,000, they make $500,000 out of it. By all means, I'm not saying you need $50,000 to start. What I mean is that any investment you have could return multiple times more. But as I said, it might not be an option for you right now. So let's look at alternative way to make animated videos, just like on the Bright Side, Bestie, and Brainiac YouTube channels. And just as on the gigs freelancers are selling on Fiverr. Okay, we are heading to the site called renderforest.com. It's free to sign up using Gmail, Facebook, or your email. Then click create video and you can do a music visualization, presentations, slideshows, intros, logos, and animated videos. That's the ones we are after. And then we got several categories of animated videos. Let's click on the YouTube videos. Okay, these templates are more like for intro and outro purposes, so let's head back to explain videos. You can see hundreds and hundreds of scenes available. Choose one and click on create. You can now watch a tutorial or carry on without it. Here you have options for adding scenes, loading a preset, or loading your script and letting the software match the scenes. Let's click on add scene. Now you can choose your characters, scenes, and elements to combine them into stories. If you go back and load presets, you can select and edit ready-made stories. You can add your text, change the colors, styles, and see matching suggested scenes to continue. You can also choose between a flat and 3D characters. If you select the option of adding the script, you got 2048 characters to add, and I suggest using short sentences. I actually prefer use this option, adding the script, and let the software match the scenes, and then I can make additional edits if needed. Alright, now let's look at the pricing of this tool. You can try it out for free. You will be able to export only low resolution up to 3 minutes long videos and store no more than 300 megabytes on the website. I would suggest trying out this tool by taking advantage of the free plan, and then if it works for you, upgrade to another plan. I would be looking between amateur and pro plans depending on how many videos you would like to make each month and how many YouTube channels you are running. You can even build a website using this software, so it's not just for the video editing alone. Alright, the next step would be for you to gain your first 1000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time hours, and monetize your channel fast. This is the following video you should watch to do precisely that. Monetize your channel fast. Before that, click the like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications not to miss out on my weekly uploads on how to make money on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in this video right here. Go ahead and watch it now. I'll see you there.